Hi, this is an ExactTrades.com trade review for the Movers and Shakers report for October 13th, 2011. Movers and Shakers is a free pre-market report that we email out to you every morning before the market opens with a minimum of 10 trade ideas every day. I'm going to go through a couple of those trades from this morning's report, as well as give you the overall results for the day and the combined results since we started this report. Right now you're looking at a screenshot from this morning's video. On every trade idea we give you a direction, whether long or short. We give you a symbol, a trigger price, which is the price or area at which you enter the trade. We give you targets as well. So this was a long idea for symbol AOL. Trigger was to go long on a new high above the open with strong volume. Targets being 1% from your entry, 2% is your second target, and then manage the rest with a trailing stop. For the purpose of these results, we factor in a 1% stop. Once your first target is hit, switches to a 1% trailing stop. We recommend taking half off of your position at your first target, taking another quarter off at the second target, and then taking the last piece at your third target or with the trailing stop. So let's take a look at this AOL trade and see how it turned out. Here we're looking at a 1 minute chart on symbol AOL. We had the open right here. New high happened right here at 1313. So that's the area to go long. First target's 1% from your entry, which is about 13 cents. So take half off at 1%, which is $13.26. Second target is 1339, which triggered right here. And then the 1% trailing stop triggered right here at 1331. So this trade had an average exit of $13.31, which is 18 cents average profit per share, or 1.3%. You can see this did end up trending up the rest of the day. That 1% stop was triggered here, but it went all the way up, eventually hit a high of almost $14 today. So this was a nice trade. Let's take a look at another trade. Here's another screenshot from this morning's video where we called a long trade on symbol AKAM. Trigger was to go long on a new high above the open with strong volume. 1% first target, 2% for the second target, and then manage the rest with a trailing stop. Let's take a look at this chart. Here's a 1 minute chart on AKAM, AKAM. This first candle closed right here, right at the open, shot up. The new high triggered right here on this second candle. So long trade triggered of 24.41. 24.65 would be the first target, which is 1% from your entry. Take half off there. Second profit target is 24.89, which was hit when it hit a high of 24.90. And the trailing stop triggered at 24.66 right here. So this trade had an average exit of $24.71, which is a 30-cent average per share profit, or 1.2%. So for today, October 13th, 2011, we had 12 total trade ideas. 6 of them did not trigger. Those are stocks that either gap up or gap down beyond our trigger price, close to our first target, which takes some of the profit potential out of the trade. It also increases your risk. So we recommend just passing on those, or it could be a situation where the price we were looking for wasn't hit during the day. We did have 6 trades that triggered. 5 of those were winners. Each winner averaged 0.86% profit. We had 1 losing trade, which was a 1% stop. Our overall win rate today was 83.33%. And based on $20,000 position size, if you were to trade these ideas, you would have had 5 winning trades at $172 profit each trade, which is a 0.86% profit average per trade, which is $860. 1 losing trade at minus 200, So the overall profit for the day, $660. Let's look at the combined results. We started this report on July 15th, 2011. Since then, we've had 378 trades that have triggered. 297 have been winners, 81 losers, for a win rate of 78.57%. So sign up for this free report at our website, www.exacttrades.com. We'll email it out to you every morning before the market opens. We'll give you a minimum of 10 trade ideas each and every day. And while you're at our website, check out our full library of products and services.